My name is Bryelle Rummings, and I'm a biology major at Ames Community College. So I'm 19 years old, and thankfully, because of Ames, I was able to just come straight out of high school. All the support services helped me apply for different things, apply for FAFSA, apply for different Ames scholarships, and that's what kind of made it successful. And they're very good about bringing in different people from different colleges to kind of help you out with transfer services if that's something you're looking into. And if it's not something you're looking into, it's almost kind of an eye-opener as to, hey, this is something you can do, and Ames will help you out. Some other reasons why I would tell people to come to Ames is the tuition rates, but also small classroom sizes. It's very important for people that they're able to make a connection with their professor, and that's something that I've seen over and over and over again at Ames. I have to take a lot of different lab classes. I'm currently in my Physics 1, it's algebra based, and I take that with about 15, 16 other students. We get to do cool interactive things and just kind of see, how does our world work with physics? This ball's gonna drop. Now what are the things that allow this thing to drop? And this is kind of how everything works, and it makes sense. Through my time here at Ames, I think one of the things that has been the most rewarding was making the connections that I did. Meeting all kinds of people, meeting students, meeting faculty, meeting staff made my journey easier, and I felt supported throughout my entire time here. Being on student government has really helped me just prepare as a leader in general. As I kept getting involved, I kept learning more, and it just kind of opened up a whole sky of different things that I can do here. I got involved in being a part of the board of trustees and being a part of college council and the Ames Foundation board. There's only growth that you can do here at Ames.